Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a review video from a new product I just got. It is the Adventure Rally waterproof cover from Precip Moto, and I won this on a giveaway they were hosting on their Instagram channel. So they didn't give this to me to review, they're not paying me to do it. I'm just kind of doing it because after using the product for a while I actually really like it and found it useful. You can find one of these covers on Amazon for about $34.99 or their website, which is www.precipmoto.com. So what exactly is this cover? It's a half cover. It doesn't cover the entire bike. It only covers the cockpit of the bike, or the handlebars and the dash portion. The whole idea behind it was to give you a cover that would be small enough that you could actually bring it with you. Not a big, huge, bulky bike cover that you're never going to bring. This cover fits most bikes under 650 cc's, and I'll put a list up of all the bikes that it does fit that was provided by Precip Moto. For those of you with bigger bikes like the Africa Twin or the KTM 1290, they are making a bigger cover for bikes like yours, so keep that in mind. Some of the features of this thing. So think of this as a shower cap for your motorcycle. It is waterproof nylon cover. It has an elastic bottom to keep everything snug and tucked up underneath, and it features a buckle that will go around your front fender or your forks. I'll go ahead and set it up now and show you how it works. So as you can see, the whole front of the bike is covered. It also leaves enough room to where if you run a tank bag on your bike, you could actually stretch it over your tank bag, which I found pretty helpful. Taking it back down is just as easy. Just unclip the buckle in the front here, pull it off. And if you're a neat freak, you can fold it back up and put it back in the sack. For mine, I just kind of bunch it back up together and stuff it back in there. And it's ready to go again. To mount this, it actually comes with two Velcro straps on the back of it with some molly webbing on the back of the pouch. You don't have to mount it on your bars. You can throw it in your backpack, saddlebags, or even a tail bag. The whole thing weighs under 10 ounces. I believe the website says it's around 8.8 ounces for this cover, so it's really light as well. What I really like about this cover is that it sets up really quickly and stores really quickly. Also, with my bike, I run my phone on my bike as my GPS almost every ride. And with the unpredictable Florida weather, it can rain any second. So rather than having to stop, open my backpack, pull out a dry bag, put a wet phone in my dry bag, or dry it off with a towel before I stick it in there, I can just open this pouch, put the cover on, and call it good. Also, with me, I run a external microphone on my GoPro, so it compromises the waterproof ability of my GoPro. So I run a Dango design mount on the chin of my helmet, so whenever it starts to rain, I can just pull the mount off my helmet, clip it onto my bar, and now my GoPro is under the waterproof cover as well. I've been riding around with this for the last few days, and it's done nothing but rain on those days, so I found it very useful. It kept my phone dry and my GoPro dry, so I really liked that instead of having to stuff it into a bag or carry extra stuff with me. Just had this right here on my handlebars. So in conclusion, knowing what I know now, if I had not won this in a giveaway, I would have bought one. It's come in handy in this unpredictable Florida weather, and I recommend it to anyone who is looking for a little extra waterproof protection around the front end of their bike here. Alright, I think that's going to wrap it up for today, but if you liked what you saw, head on over to Amazon or www.precipmoto.com and pick yourself up one of these. And if you really liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.